Jamaica, yo, una nah wake up, una nah see what go on in every corner of the life, people. The whole murder suicide with the JDF, JCF, the government where enslave the people them. People no go wake up and really take note of what go on. These people are supposed to protect the citizens of Jamaica. Only show that Jamaican police and the soldier along with the government are devils and legal criminals under their own man-made laws under the Freemasons them. And the Jamaican citizens all now can't realize that the police force, the so-called defense force or JCF and JDF are some individuals that are possessed by devils. And I'm not talking about some little mind game devil possession where people look on like it's a joke. I know the farm women I say, oh, about this. No, it's a higher level than oh, about. But any one of them still wrong. No, first, who the Jamaican military and police belong to? They belong to the state, which is Jamaica, which is the government. Who control the government? The government is controlled by one of the 13 dirty bloodline of the Illuminati, the Queen. People don't need to go understand what going on, you know. Which is our slave master. These are not normal human beings. Them blood mixed with devils. This is why there's a governor general as a middleman between Jamaica and England. It seems like we are run by our own laws, but we're not. England, where are the slave master land for our country? We still need a visa to go there. Forgot there to the land of your slave master, while them just need one ID if you come visit the plantation Jamaica. Same thing for the Americans. Everybody just need an ID if you come to Jamaica, but we need so much documents and so much papers for reaching for them country. You still not realize who you be. Now look on the symbol them on the soldier camp. Look on the symbol them on the police badge and the Queen Crown. These people are not for the Jamaican citizens, but against them. Who are get run, abuse, and them goods taken away from them. When them are hustle. You, the public, while the Chinese and the Indians, them take over everything, yet Fluor tell you for hustle on. With all the fight them give you, and while them are run you off of the road, did you sell Fluor? Any big company can come shop for them shop and get protection instead of them goods I get take away. These people not even hunt for criminal or try to find criminal because them don't exist for that. They only exist to terrorize we the citizens and abuse we the citizens and keep we in a fear of the government. If you are go work and need to reach early, police stop the bus, or them block it, or them block the taxi, or them try block them from pick you up so you will reach work late. Then you and your boss kick off. Then your boss say him not here. You need to wake up earlier. Just to show you how these people function. While at the government cause you feel late daily. Then when you go home I see thing, them block the bus, them and around the taxi them and most of the time them do this for the government bus, them get where leak like zinc roof. Get the passenger them. So your government and the police make your life, which is already part and more of it. And taximan and busman are the biggest criminal right now. Along with anybody who sell food from the farm and try hustle. The police them have a thing with them say left or right. So it's either you left money with them or get a ticket or a ticket right for you. This is the levels of corruption we're in the country here. The next thing, if you are a righteous person and I worship the Creator and what you do is not evil, then would you have these mental breakdowns or hallucinations or psychological problems that endangers people's lives? Yet these people, soldier and police, have the most mental problems. Why? Because their training makes them into heartless demons. I never read that any of the Creator people who goes to war against evil nations to protect their way and faith of mental breakdown or post-traumatic stress disorder, nightmares about the people they fought against. Why? Because these are justified. Those people are evil, not good. Now on the other hand, our government is evil. Most are high-level demons using human appearance to lay down laws to restrict the human being and make them life miserable as possible, seasoning them up for death. People say soldier, no normal, and police, them no normal. They are not. They are corrupted criminals doing more harm to the citizens than good. 1742 people, from 1742 people, Freemason run Jamaica and Jamaicans' life. I mean, never hear say black people get rid of them, but them keep getting rid of you. And you will use RGD if you tag you and put your information on internet so more can see it have a database with you for the Antichrist. If you alive them time there. Because them are going to kill most of it before that. Until you say, if them catch you with scandal bag, you get $1,000 fine. And if you have a lot of 100,000, if you distribute 2 million. Now, you look on a man and a woman where you already make poor and a suffer. Say you are going to charge them up to 2 million for scandal bag where UNO create and have billions of dollars we can put infrastructures in place to deal with this matter like intelligent human beings. It shows how no intelligence as government is only to destroy people while they think progress is being made with their lives. People, when you still asleep? Jamaica. Yo.